How to apply reverb in WavePad. First of all, open the WavePad Audio Editor on your computer. Next, open the audio file you want to enhance by clicking on the File menu and selecting Open File, or simply press Ctrl+O for quick access. Once your audio is loaded into the editor, go to the Effects tab located at the top toolbar. From the list of available effects, find and click on the Reverb option. As soon as you select Reverb, a new window will pop up with various settings like decay time, pre-delay, diffusion, wet signal gain, dry signal gain, and preset. You can also choose from different presets such as living room, bathroom, and more depending on the type of reverb effect you want to achieve. You can adjust these values manually or pick a preset that fits your audio style. Use the preview button to listen to the effect before applying it. Once you are happy with the result, click Apply to add the reverb effect to your audio file. Finally, go to File and select Save As to save your edited audio while preserving the original version. And that's it. Now you know how to apply reverb in WavePad. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next